Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete forms in Jotform step by step in 2026. If your dashboard is getting messy, or you no longer need some old forms, this guide will help you clean everything properly without confusion. First, open your browser and go to the official Jotform website. Now log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, you will land on your main dashboard, where all your created forms are listed in one place. Now take a moment and look through your forms. You might see contact forms, surveys, registration forms, or payment forms. Find the exact form that you want to delete. Be careful here because selecting the wrong form will remove important data. Once you locate the form, move your cursor to the right side of it. You will see a three-dot menu or More Options button. Click on it to open the available actions. From the menu, click on the Delete option. After clicking Delete, Jotform will not remove it instantly. Instead, it will show a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to delete this form. Now carefully read the warning message. If you are sure, confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the form will be removed from your main dashboard and moved to the trash section. Next, go to the trash area from the left side menu. Here you can see all deleted forms. If you made a mistake, you can restore the form easily from here with one click. But if you are completely sure, you can permanently delete it from the trash so it cannot be recovered again. Finally, go back to your dashboard and double-check that everything is clean and organized. This helps you keep your Jotform account neat and easy to manage. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete forms in Jotform step by step. Now you can manage your workspace more professionally and stay organized without clutter. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.